years, we've been really focused on designing robots that clean efficiently and the best that they could. But now we wanted to take it a step beyond and clean the way you would.
We really care about our consumers. We want to make your life easier. That's the whole point of what we do.
We designed a new front-facing camera, a wedge-detect bumper, a whole new computer.
It recognizes when there's obstacles and it avoids them and keeps on cleaning. So today it's cords and pet waste, but tomorrow it will be shoes and socks.
What makes J7 really special is not just the hardware, but also the digital experiences.
We try to give people products that not only achieve what they wanted to do, but also feel like they have something in their home that can complement their life.
We're inching towards how we can be there for you more and more.
And so that really offers a lot of freedom for a user, and I think it's something that's very important and very valuable to our customers.
Once you've received your Shark robot, your first step is to download the Shark Clean app to your phone. You can do this easily from the Apple App Store or from the Google Play Store. As soon as the Shark Clean app is downloaded, you're ready to create your personal account. You'll be sent a verification email you simply reply to, and you're ready to go. Now, open the Shark Clean app. It will walk you through the setup process. Some things you can do during setup include: verify the exact Shark robot you purchased, select the best placement for your robot's dock, ensure your robot is powered up properly, and connect to your home's Wi-Fi. Next, you're ready to connect your Shark robot to the app on your phone. Simply press and hold both the clean and dock buttons at the same time. Press join on your phone, then tell the Shark robot which Wi-Fi to join. This should be the same Wi-Fi you connected your app to. And that's it. Now you can complete the Explore run, set cleaning schedules, and control your Shark robot right from your phone. If you need extra support with any of the features or the product, please check out the support section in the Shark Clean app. And if you're looking for more cleaning tips,
life can get busy, but keeping up with daily dust and dirt doesn't have to slow you down. With the Roomba 600 series vacuuming robot from iRobot, it doesn't have to. You don't even need to be at home to do the cleaning. The iRobot Home app allows you to clean and schedule on the go. Just press clean, and the robot goes to work, navigating around your home to find dust and dirt wherever they hide, cleaning along walls and sweeping dirt from edges and corners. The Roomba vacuuming robot moves easily from hard floors to carpet and over thresholds. It cleans under furniture, around clutter, and avoids stairs and other drop-offs. The patented 3-stage cleaning system loosens, lifts, and suctions dirt, dust, and even large debris. The Roomba 600 series cleans for up to 60 minutes, then automatically returns to the home-based charging station, so it's always ready to clean. You can schedule the robot to vacuum every day of the week. And with the iRobot Home app, you can connect to clean from anywhere, anytime. Let the Roomba 600 series help with the vacuuming, so you're free to handle everything else life throws your way.